Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create flashy blur effects to your clip in CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit and then go straight to the video effects and add the oblique blur effect under the opening and closing category. Okay, make the effect short like this and set the blur 100 and rotate 45. Click on a check icon and then add 2 keyframes at the effect. Now on the second keyframe make the blur 0. Then copy the effect and place it on every clip. Okay, like this. And now click on a clip and add 2 keyframes like this, and at the second keyframe zoom in the clip. Okay, after you are done, add the ease out 2 grabs on every clip. Okay, after you're done, just click on the check icon and now go to overlay and add a white image from the stock videos. Okay, fit the size and then make it short. Then go to blend, overlay and set it to around 50. Click on the check icon and go to animation and add some fade out effect. Set it all the way like this. Copy the overlay and place it under every clip. Okay, after this you are done and this is the result. Okay, so that's how you can make a flashy blur effects on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to click thanks or like this video, comment and also subscribe. Thank you.